Welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of a new work week. The day starts off with some fog along the west coast and a weak cold front brings in cloud, as well as the possibility of early morning light rainfall over the southern part of the Western Cape. As that front heads along the coast, it brings in cloud but not much rainfall with it. We're also expecting a cooler day over the western parts, but with a sunny afternoon. We're forecasting thundershowers over the eastern part of South Africa in the second part of the day. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see the possibility of early morning light rainfall, mainly over the southern part of the Western Cape, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers for the northwest, the Free State and Gauteng. That also extends through to the southern part of Limpopo, the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the northeastern part of the eastern and northern Cape. It'll be another warm day over the northeastern part of South Africa, just shy of 30 degrees for Polokwane and Potchefstroom, 26 as we head towards Johannesburg, 30 degrees for Bombela and Mahikeng. Warmer temperatures are forecast into the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Maximums head into the middle and upper 20s for the Free State, with a high of around 30 for the KZN interior, with a mild to warm afternoon for the Eastern Cape interior. Warm as we head towards the coast, with a fresh to strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London. We'll see southerly winds for Port St John's and Durban, and a 25 km/h northeasterly wind for Richards Bay, with a 2-metre easterly swell for KwaZulu-Natal at 11 seconds. A few degrees cooler but still warmer over the southern part of the country, with a predominantly dry forecast. You'll see highs heading into the upper 20s and low 30s here, with a moderate southerly wind from Muizenberg all the way through to Mossel Bay, and a mild day along the coast, with a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and a 2-metre southerly swell at 12 seconds. We head into the mid-30s for Uppington and Prieska, with a sunny afternoon for the majority of the northern Cape. Kimberley with a few thundershowers at 32 degrees. A moderate southwesterly wind is forecast for Lambert's Bay, with a fresh southerly wind for Table Bay, Longabon and Alexander Bay, with a 2-metre south-southwesterly swell, and that's at 13 seconds along the west coast. On Tuesday, we're expecting mostly cloudy and mild weather for Cape Town and George, with a dry day along South Africa's coastline. Still fine and dry for the northern Cape, with a chance of thundershowers mainly over the northeastern, central and eastern interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Monday.